Hi everyone and welcome. So recently we have got this Modbus IO card from Augmatic Technologies Private Limited, and they are the manufacturer of this kind of IO cards. Okay, so this IO card is having three type of channel. As you can see here, it is having analog input channel. As you can see here, analog input 4 channel, digital input 4 channel, and here you can see digital output 4 channels. Okay, let me focus here. Okay, so this IO card is having three type of channel you can use: analog input, digital input, and digital output. And this IO card is run on the 24 volt DC. As you can see here, input power 24 volt DC. Okay, and this IO card is supporting Modbus serial communication. As you can see here, RS485 terminal is available here. So you can connect this IO card, Modbus IO card, with your PLC, with your IoT gateway, with Arduino, with Raspberry Pi, or you can connect this IO card directly with Ignition SCADA, Plant SCADA, Node-RED. Okay, so it has a many functionality. Okay, so you can use this Modbus IO card for wide applications. Okay, if you have connected this Modbus IO card directly to Node-RED, and if you have published your Node-RED dashboard over the internet, then you can fire the digital output directly from your phone, from the anywhere in the world. Okay, so that thing is possible if you integrate directly this card with the Node-RED. And as this is the Modbus IO card, we have to set sometime the slave ID. Okay, so to set slave ID, as you can see here, we have a dip switch option available. You can set the slave ID after opening this enclosure. Okay, so let's open this enclosure and let's see how you can set the slave ID. Okay, so we have opened the enclosure. Now you can see here, let me focus on the dip switch. Yeah, you can see slave ID selection. Okay, so right now the slave ID is selected is 1. Okay, so if I want to connect this IO card with my ModScan or Modbus Pole software, at that time I have to use the slave ID 1. Okay, and there are many more functionality. If you want to use your analog input as a 5 volt input or 10 volt input, you can choose. You can see on the box as well, here is the jumper selection. Okay, 5 volt or 10 volt, and after opening you can also see that here 5 volt or 10 volt. You can select the jumper setting based on your analog input, and also you can select the resolution. Okay, you can see here 12-bit resolution or 10-bit resolution. So there are so many configuration available in this Modbus IO card. Okay, so this is a very useful Modbus IO card. It is having 4 digital output, 4 digital input, and 4 analog input. Okay, after setting your slave ID, you can pack this like this. Okay, it is packed and you can use in your industrial application. Okay, so in the future we will see more videos regarding this IO card, that how to directly connect it with Node-RED, how we can connect it with Ignition SCADA, and after that how we can connect this with R10A industrial 4G router gateway, R40A or BL102 PLC gateway. Okay, and also we will connect this IO card with the Raspberry Pi and Arduino to directly operate the Modbus IO card. Okay, so if you have connected this card with Raspberry Pi or Arduino, then you can perform your logic operation in the Arduino or Raspberry Pi, and you can fire your digital output, or you can read the industrial input, digital input status. Also you can read the analog input industrial sensor status. Okay, so this is a very useful if you see in that way. So this is manufactured by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. Okay, so if you want to buy this card, then you can visit their website. You can call directly their salesperson number. Okay, they will provide you necessary guidance and they will provide you the product as well. Okay, as you can see in this module, we have a digital output, we have a digital input, we have an analog input, but we don't have analog output. Okay, so for that they have shared one more this kind of Modbus IO. We will cover that IO in the next video. This video is specifically for this Modbus IO card. Okay, so if you have any question, any doubt or any concern regarding this Modbus IO card, you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see another Modbus IO card, which is specifically designed for analog output purpose. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.